Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to talk about this anatomical double bundle ACL reconstruction. ACL is a very important ligament in the knee joint, and injury to this ligament is very common in young active males, people who are breadwinners for their family. And this ligament injury causes significant morbidity for people. What it does is it increases the instability in the knee. People who have an ACL reconstruction feel as though their knee is giving way. Whenever they are twisting or turning their knee or walking on an uneven surface, they feel that they are falling. And these are the people who need ACL reconstruction. Having said that, there are some people who can compensate for this in their daily activities and they don't feel that giving way instinct. And these people, they don't need surgery. So when we see the kind of people who are involved, it's usually 15 to 40-year-old people who are involved in this. They are active and they need some kind of surgical treatment for this mechanical instability. So what we've traditionally performed so far for the last 20 to 30 years is called single bundle ACL reconstruction. In single bundle ACL reconstruction, we do a single tunnel in tibia and a single tunnel in the femur, which is the thigh bone. And most of the times this reconstruction was found to be non-anatomical. That is, we are not actually reproducing what is torn. We are trying to put a ligament in between, and it does work. So as it is non-anatomical, you would expect that it would work only for a short time, and exactly that's what happens. It works for a short time, the knee becomes stable, but in the long run these people tend to have arthritis. So the big question which was facing scientists all over the world was how to prevent this arthritis in this young and active people. And they came up with anatomical studies where they have dissected the knees and found that it has got two bundles, the anteromedial and the posterolateral. And both these bundles are essential for stability of the knee joint and moreover for the normal kinematics of the knee joint. Kinematics is the movement of the knee joint, the way it moves, the way it actually tracks. So we've been doing this double bundle ACL reconstruction in our hospital, and we performed 6 surgeries where we drilled 2 holes in the femur, that is the thigh bone, and 2 in the tibia, that is the leg bone. And we make sure that we represent almost 80 to 90% of the anatomy of the patient. So this is more like a custom-made ACL reconstruction where we actually reconstruct what you had, not what we think is normal, but what you had in the past. So what we hope is this ACL reconstruction will definitely give you stability, and we hope that it also gives you a more normal knee and prevents this early onset of arthritis for the ACL injuries.